Hello, first grade. I hope you are having a great morning so far. Today is Wednesday, October 21st, 2020, and it is the 35th day of school. So I was able to make some changes with our coins. And if you actually notice, I have three different groups of coins. So the thing with money is that you can show or have the same amount of money using a variety of different combinations, kind of like how we talked about different ways to make 8 or different ways to make 9 or 10 or whatever the number is. Same is true with coins. So see if you can notice what the different groups are. I have here 1 quarter and 1 dime. So that's one way to make 35, and we can count that 25, 35. Here I have 1 quarter and 2 nickels. So what are nickels worth? Do you remember? Yeah, 5. So these 2 nickels are really the same as 1 dime. So this is 25, 35, 45. I I'm sorry, I counted that wrong. It is 25, 30, 35. Whoops. All right, and then this way here, which these are not the only ways, these are just three ways, are 3 dimes and 1 nickel. So a dime is worth 10, so we could count 10, 20, 30, 35. And if you notice, I put an equal sign. This equals this equals this equals this, just like we've been talking about in math. It's just whatever is on one side is equal to what is on the other. All right, so see if you can think of a different way of making 35 cents. All right. You also have art today at 12:15, and two other quick things. I'm going to remember to tell you the answer to the riddle today, but thank you so much for those of you that remind me during the class. And you may have heard this one, but it is, why was 6 afraid of 7? Why was 6 afraid of 7? All right, remind me if I don't remember, but I will put a big note on my computer to hopefully remind myself to tell you the answer. All right, before we go through the schedule, if you would like to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, very good. So Wednesday, first thing coming out this morning, you have the math application problem for lesson 27. And we have a practice spelling test assigned through Spelling City. Feel free to use paper and pencil if you prefer to do it that way instead of Spelling City. Then there will also be a wit and wisdom reading lesson where you will watch a learning video, and then there is a short response on Seesaw where you'll just record yourself sharing some of your thinking based on that video, the learning video. So that's all this morning at 9, coming out first thing at 9. Then we'll have word building. Sorry, there are 12 letters today, so a little more than usual, but these are the letters that you'll need. I'm just going to read them from here to make sure I say the right ones. A, D, E, F, G, I, L, O, P, S, T, U. So hopefully them being in alphabetical order makes it a little bit easier to grab them. But I apologize, there are 12 today, so that's a little bit more. I will include them in the typed agenda. So we'll have word building at 10 with those letters. Then we'll meet again at 1 for math and bring your normal supplies. And that should do it for today. Oh, today is Wednesday, so we will have the completely optional snack and chat Google Meets, one at 11 and then one at 2. So if you want to check your Seesaw to see what time, again, I just let the computer randomly mix us up again and put us into 2 groups so you can check your time and check the link. And if you're available to come and just chat, that would be great. And then today or this morning, I'll also post the theme week for next week. So if you didn't hear on our math call yesterday, for the holiday next week and with Halloween coming up, we thought it might be fun for each morning of Monday through Thursday to have a different theme. So one day is just wear your favorite fall colors and or a Halloween shirt if or gear. One day is to wear your coziest pajamas. One day is to wear a Be the Kind Kid or Avonworth shirt or red and white, school spirit day. One day is to wear your favorite hat to class. And then on Friday, we will have our virtual Halloween party in the afternoon that you're welcome to wear your costume to. So I'll post the information about that and I'll send reminders. But this is all completely optional. Please don't feel that you need to go and buy anything new or anything. We tried to pick things that would be easy to find around the house, and you don't have to do anything special or buy anything new. But we thought it might be a little fun to celebrate Halloween week and come wear some different things for our morning classes. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see everybody soon, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.